If you need to unlink your My Disney account from Epic Games, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a quick and simple way. This is helpful if you connected the wrong account, want to change your link services, or just want to disconnect your accounts for privacy or account management reasons. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account in your web browser because the unlink action will apply to whichever account you're currently logged into. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then sign in to your Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. From the main account page, navigate to Account and then find the Linked Account section. This is where Epic Games stores all of the services and platforms connected to your account, including social, console, and partner accounts. When you open linked accounts, scroll or look through the list until you find My Disney account. Next to it, you should see a Remove option. Click Remove to begin the unlink process. Epic Games will usually show you a warning message before the unlink is finalized because disconnecting this account can affect your synced progress and any purchases associated with the connection. This part is very important, so read the warning carefully. You'll need to check the boxes confirming that you understand that progress and purchases will no longer sync between Epic Games and My Disney account. These checkboxes are there to make sure you know exactly what happens when you disconnect the accounts. Once you've confirmed everything, the final step is to click Unlink. After you click Unlink, Epic Games will process the request and disconnect My Disney account from your Epic Games profile. At that point, the accounts will no longer be linked, and any future syncing between them will stop. If you ever need to reconnect them later, you can usually do that from the linked accounts area again, depending on the account rules and availability. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can unlink My Disney account from Epic Games using your browser and manage the connection safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.